Hi, this is Lee. This video is going to be very short. I just want to show you a new um, update on the recent strategy that I uploaded to the website. It's an update with the updates basically has the different trading times and also the trailing stop that is built into this strategy automatically. It will basically automatically trail the stop once it triggers the settings that you set for the trailing stop. And this is also this is strategy PMC for CL with GS. You also can use this strategy for on gold. Gold. Okay, we're looking at gold August contract, and the unit ranker bar setting is 5, 10, 35. 5, 10, and 35. Okay. Now the playback is already done. I just don't want to show you the entire playback time. It takes forever, even though I put it at max speed. But once it's done, you will see the results. Now, after all these commissions and everything, you're looking at the realized P&Ls at this number with one contract. And now let's just go over day by day. Let's say this is the May 11th, and we had a winner trade right there done. The trailing stop it won't really happen that often. So basically, you see there are no trades throughout these days until May 18th. We had a short right there and done. And then we'll move on to next day. I think the trailing stop didn't really happen. I mean, didn't really get filled. Right here, we'll have another trade, a winner trade. Basically, the trailing starts at the trigger point is at 19 points. So you're talking about 4, 5, 9, 14, 19, right there. The triggering is right there. Once it triggers, the stop will move all the way up one tick above your entry, which is right here. And next bar does not have a leg, did not do anything. Then we hit target. So we're done for the day because the trading window is very, very small. It's from 7:35 to 8:25. Okay, this much, just this much. That's why we don't see that many trades. Sometimes the entire week has no trade until let's see. Um, Here we go. This is what June 2nd, right? And then we had another short trade right there, a winner, and then June 5th we had a winner. The triggering stop is right there. I believe that um, this part did not have a leg, so it basically did not get stopped out with the trailing stop. Then instead we hit the target. Okay. Then move on to the next day until we see another trade right here. Now this is pretty typical. You can see right there, an entry by entry right there, and this trailing stop triggered right there. The stop moved to here. Unfortunately, this bar did not form and then reversed. When in the process of reversing, it hit the trailing stop right there. Because of that, we still in profit because it's above the entry price. And then, since we did not have the daily profit limit, and the next trade happened at 7:58 a.m., it's still within the time frame, and then hit a target. Then we're done for the day, and I think that's okay. Then we're gonna go see if there's another trade. Here we go. Here we go. We had another trade. That is the 13th of June. First trade is a winner. And second trade, and unfortunately we got stopped out, so we are actually in red by 69 bucks. And we had another trade happen, fortunately, before 8:25. We had a short trade right there, and there was a winner. So overall, that day is positive, 216. And Then we keep on moving. Let's see if we have another trade. Here we go. That's the 15th June, and we had a long position right there, and then hit the did not hit the stop loss at the reversal bar. Okay, and then it hit the target. So then you move. That's it. These are the trades we had. Now look at the settings of a strategy. This one with trailing stop, and let's just disable it, and you'll see we had target 31 and stop at 36. Trading time is 7:35 and to 8:26 Central Time. Daily profit we set 1200. That is basically a maximum. It won't really hit the limit because the trading time period is very small. Okay. Now this filter is important. We set 83. That it cannot be changed. Now trail trigger is 19 ticks. As I mentioned, our target is 31. Once you get to 19 ticks, the trail distance will happen. It will move to stop 18 ticks away from the 19 ticks. So in other words, that once that 19 ticks is triggered, we have already moved the stop loss to break even. Actually, not really break even, like one tick above the entry price. Now, fill trail frequency 6 ticks means that you have to add 6 to 19, which would be 25. Once we reach 25 ticks in profit, the trail distance will move up 18 ticks away from 19 plus 6, 25. Okay? And so on and so forth. Until the second 6 ticks happened, we're already going to hit the target. So in this case, and then everything is setting same, and strategy we're trading one contract. Okay? This is just different than this for CL. This one does not have trailing stop, but the trading time frame is the same. Target is a little bit different. It's 22, and we can also set the target at 231 and without trailing stop. And then let's see, let's see what happens with the data that's already ran, and it's calculating right now based on the strategies settings. Okay, done calculating. Then we're gonna go to strategy performance. Look at this one, and you see we had one loser and 365, and net profit is 2383. So that losing trade actually is right there. It's accumulative, but that day is a positive day. So not that much of a difference, but the trading stop sometimes does help. But this strategy you can also apply to gold with this Unirenko bar settings. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Email me.